Best Variety Program. PRX Concert Series.
PRX Concert Series.
Your host, Francesca.
Okay, chilling with City tonight. All right, so we know you don't have shows tomorrow, but you do have a couple of shows coming up. So why don't you let everybody know?
Oh, yeah. Got a lot of shows.
Except for Valentine's Day.
Except for Valentine's Day. I work all the days of Feb except for tomorrow.
Right? That's so weird. It's okay.
Okay. Let's see. Feb 16 will be in Pagcor Tagaytay. Feb 18, Pagcor Angeles. Feb 21, Pagcor Bacolod. 22, Pagcor Cebu. 23, Pagcor Davao. 25 at Sacred Heart Novaliches. 27, Pagcor Haya. 28, Olongapo. Pagcor Olongapo. 29, Pagcor Heritage. March 4, SM Clark. What else is in here? Okay. And for the rest of my schedule, just check cityonline.com.
Yes.
Or you can add me up on Facebook. Facebook.com/CityNavarro. And then my Twitter is twitter.com/Bossagirl. BOSSAGURL. And we are inviting everyone to text. Ano ba daw? Kasi my single is Sino Mag-aakala right now. So we're promoting that. And I do hope that you guys would vote for it. And get it as your ringback tone. Just text Akala to 5677 to get Sino Mag-aakala open to all networks. 5 pesos only for 5 days. And then I hope you guys would also request for it on Mix by requesting, of course, City Sino Mag-aakala on mixph.com. And then wag mo na munang sabihin, written by The Evidancel.
The Evidancel.
Is nominated for favorite mellow video on this year's Mix Music Awards. So I hope you guys would vote for it. You can vote via logging on to mixph.com, or there's also a Facebook thing going on right now. Okay. And you can also vote through Twitter. Just use the hashtag MMA2012. I am voting for Wag Mo Na Munang Sabihin -City. Oh my God. Director Remberg Galera, para open and close parentheses for favorite mellow video. And then so I hope you guys would support my latest album, City, self-titled. There are 7 original songs in this one. End It With You, Wag Mo Na Munang Sabihin, and Sino Mag-aakala are all from this new album. So I hope you guys would support that. Available on record bars, Warner Music Philippines, only 290 pesos. And online, it's available through Odyssey. There. And saying hi to all the citizens and all my Twitter followers.
Yay! They're all here.
They're meet. It's so cool.
Oh, it's like an ED.
Ngayon, tinatsagaan niyo yung mga tweet ko. Hello. Lagi ko nabasa sa Agent Bad Boy. He always replies to me. Saying hi to who else is listening? I don't know it. Jolene, Jupe, Kit, JP, JT. Oh, to the lovely Mrs. Basilio. Erskine Basilio is playing the guitars for me.
Thank you. Awesome.
Yeah, the Erskine, Master Erskine Basilio.
Yeah.
There, and I think I'm done.
That's it?
Yeah.
City, thank you so much. It really is always a pleasure.
Fran.
Oh,
Sige, ano naman ako sa phlegm ko talaga.
Okay lang yan. You know, nobody cares. You still sound good. At least they know it's live. When it's not recorded or anything. Yeah, oo nga. So follow her on Twitter. Sabi niya, The Phlegm, come on, white the night. That was her latest tweet.
Kasi of all the nights, of all the performances, why?
It's okay. Well, you know what? Happy Valentine's Day to you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You enjoy it tomorrow.
Yeah, you too. What are your plans?
Well, at work.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Malay mo, someone will come up and with flowers and stuff.
Right. Don't worry. I look forward to the day we're at the same restaurant and we have our dates.
Uy, malay mo mangyari
Uy,
yun,
City, hi.
I remember I saw you, diba, dun sa City Golf thing. Yeah.
Where were we? Yeah, somewhere there.
Yeah.
May date ba ako? Wala, no?
I think you were with someone. I was with someone too.
Okay.
And now we're both single.
Right? You see? So, one of these days, we'll see each other again there. So, she's going to leave us with one last song. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Fran.
Thank you to everybody who stopped by today.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys.
Yay.
I hope you're all happy.
All right, here we go.
And, yeah. Kahit okay lang masaya maging single. Love yourself. Love who else? Love Twitter, love your phone. Hala, materialistic na yung mga ina-advise. You know, what's very interesting about this song? Panto na lang talaga ako, diba? This is my signature song. But ito yung may pinaka-pressure sa akin talaga. Most of the time I sing this, I don't even know if I'm singing it right na or if it met their expectations or something. Oh. Anyway, this is for you. Request daw ni Mr. Erskine Basilio. Para tutugan pa niya. Kung ika'y magiging akin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung ako ay papalari na ako iyong mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Saying hi to my mom, I think she's listening. Kung ako ay mamalasin at meron ka ng ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang aking pag-ibig magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Do you guys want to sing? One chorus? Just bad boy. Kung ako ay papalari na ako iyong mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang iibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo ang iyong damdamin. Hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Nawala. Para sa akin. Happy Valentine's. Yee.
VRX Concert Series. VRX Concert Series. The hottest artists perform live in the RX studios. Multiple winner of the Golden Dove Award for Best Variety Program on Radio. Mondays, 7 p.m. Outstanding radio specials only on Manila's hottest. Monster Radio RX 93.1.